Square root of ln of x, no?
I know.
Times 1 over x times 1 over x. Pa-square root ba na siya? So we have 1 half. Diba? Square ln of x raised to 1 half minus 1. It's negative 1 half. Dito na na ako. But derivative of ln of x raised to 1 half. Sir, 1 half.
Sir, after NFI.
ln of x negative 1 half, right?
NFI.
Good. Kung anong mga tubangan yung mulikuan, ganyan. Move forward. So that's why we have this now. Mamintas will take that square. So we have 2x over x squared minus 2 minus 1 over x plus 2 plus square root of 2 over 2x, no? Square root of ln of x. So we have x squared minus 2 times x plus 2. And then we have 2x times x plus 2 here minus 1x squared minus 2 plus we have square root of 2 times the square root of ln of x all over 2x ln of x, no? So this is equal to 2x squared plus 4x minus x squared plus 2 all over x squared minus 2 times x plus 2 plus the square root of ln of x squared all over x ln of x squared. So this is equal to, we have x squared plus 4x plus all over x squared minus 3 times x plus 2 plus square root of ln x squared all over x. So this is our final answer now. So if we are going to solve this one without using the properties of ln, so we need to compare kung same ba ito ang answer. The other solution. Okay, taking f prime of x is equal to the derivative of ln of x squared minus 2 plus taking f dx of square root of ln of x squared. So this is equal to, what is the derivative of ln? X squared minus 2 all over x plus 1 times. So this is the derivative of your u here. So this is x plus 2 times the derivative of x squared minus 2 minus x squared minus 2 times the derivative of x plus 2. All over x plus 2 plus, what is the derivative of ln of x squared? we have 1/2 square root of ln of x squared times 1 over x squared times 2x.
Sir, bakit daw walang x squared sa ln of x squared sa first?
Ln of x squared.
Baka wala. Nga kasi sa problem ln of x squared, ln of x squared. Oh my God.
Ano nag-siya x squared? Di ba ako property sa ln? Kailan mo yung property? So this one property of this, di ba? Babasin ko sa square root of times the ln of x, right? Property sa radical. This is just square root of 2 times square root of ln of basic properties of algebra. So this is one of the properties for radical expressions. So we have this is equal to we have x plus 2 derivative of x squared minus 2, that is 2x now, minus x squared minus 2 times derivative of x plus 2 all over x plus 2 times squared times x plus 2 all over x squared minus 2 plus, okay, that's equal, and then this one is also extra lang, so we have 1 all over x square root of ln of x squared. So and then of course cancel out sa x plus 2, just 1 na lang. So this is 2x squared plus 4x minus x squared plus 4. All over we have x plus 2 times x squared minus 2 plus square root of ln of x squared all over x times ln of x squared. And this is what? X squared plus 4x plus 2 all over x plus 2 times x squared minus 2 plus square root of ln of x squared all over x times ln of x. Just you can see we come up with the same answer. Pero nandito naman siya kahit ano na siya So, we have different approach for the problem, but they have the same answer. Off?
I-off lang kayo.
Okay, questions? As you can see, but we have a lot of ways to simplify expressions. But pili lang yung mga asa na mas dali. But anyways, those solutions like valid minsan, di ba? Because at the end of the day, you can come out with it. As long as sakto lang ang yung path, di ba? Kapag yung mga dragon
Kaya nila sir na same.
so pwede tayo mag-discuss kung sino ang problem. We'll handle number 2.
Sige, so, si Lloyd, sir.
Dali naman number 2 action, diba? I-follow naman yung formulas sa index card. Ilabas din yung makapag each terms here. Okay, lahat sa expression.
Sir, pwede ka maghatag ng stateless answer, sir, ready na sir. Okay, sige, nag-assume, sir, ready mo siya.
Over. Wala pa rin yung stop yung if. So lang, gitry pa niya yung if paano simplify, but at the end of the day, nagyapon siya na combine. So yan man siya sa ako pa. Wala siya yung mga nasa theory. Ayun yung pusa.
Sir, what if same na value sir for A? Ibang essence.
Hindi ka nag-simplify.
What if iba magka-simplify ko pero tama ka?
Okay naman siya yun.
Basta
Ang format lang ba?
same nila lang.
Sakto po na lang.
Pero kung wala ka na simplify sir, kung simplify ka.
Basta kung masimplify pa, wala din na nila. Pero kung other form lang nila, okay na ba? Pero kung napo sa iba, eliminate, other terms of expression. Kasi mo daw kami tayo, ay ito parang natin.
Just do adding of fractions. Adding of fractions.
Anyways,
I just do the logic now. If you want to add factorization.
Okay, what is the derivative for number 2? So h prime of t, that is just the derivative of t tangent inverse of minus the derivative of t plus t to the so this is so not the good for this product now. So product now for this one. So we have derivative of tangent inverse of t plus tangent inverse of t times dt of t minus this is dt of t to the t plus t to the negative t. So that is equal to so this is t times what is the derivative of tangent inverse? 1 over 1 plus t squared no? Plus tangent inverse of t times 1 minus what is the derivative of e to the 3t? This is e to the 3t times 3 na plus this is e to the So you have t all over 1 plus t squared plus tangent inverse of minus 3 e to the 3 minus 60 e to the negative 3. So that answer is acceptable. If we need to the negative, no? Kaya kung masimplify, like an expression ng the second term, align terms pa kayo, naka-e, which is not simplifiable. Iba pa yung but, di ba man itong rule na dapat wala yung pan na negative wala yung negative exponent. So we have negative 3 to the 3 plus 60 all over 3 So you can also add that one. So we have negative 3 e to the 3 plus 3 squared plus 6. There we go.
So technically this one will receive to be honest, I could do it
So pwede ko rin ang last part, no? Pwede your financial is So take note, your e to the negative 3p squared. So this is also the same as e to the 3p squared raised to negative 1. Diba? Power roots of what? Algebra. So it's just multiplying their corresponding exponents. So with that, that is just 1 out of 1. So next, let's proceed. Problem number 3. Okay, the formula for the surface area is papers. Surface area formula for the that is 4 pi r squared, no? And the volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. Saan ba naman?
Last quiz was kay wala ko 5 over 7. Kaya din ka 5 over 6. So yun ginagawa. Kasi kung itan ka sa calculator mo 5 over 7 hindi siya maganda. Tapos hindi siya clean fraction. Or kung 5 over 6 na expert of flow. So yung 5 over 6 is
over 6. 2.6. Ano 2.25, di ba? Our x1 is 2.25. So we need to find our x of 0 before your x of 1.
so dapat ay tuloy siya 5 over na dapat before.
Dapat before ang x of 0. That's our initial value. So dapat magtatag sa initial value na godo siya sa 2.25.
Wala pa.
Okay, for number 3. So we are to take the derivative of g of v now. So g prime of v is equal to the derivative with respect to v of the logarithmic function of v raised to the negative 3 minus 2v to the base 4 plus 4 raised to the negative b squared. So this is equal to, what is the derivative of the logarithmic function? 1 over 3 minus 3 minus 2, 3 no? 1 over ln of 4 times negative 3v to the negative 4 minus 2 no? Plus, what is the derivative of 4 to the negative b squared? So we have 4 to the negative b squared times ln of 4 times negative 2v. So this is equal to 1 over ln of 4 1 over v cubed minus negative 3 all over v raised to the 4 minus plus negative 2 ln of 4v all over 4v squared. equal to? V cubed. So we have 1 minus 2 v to the 4. So we have negative 3 minus 2 v to the 4 minus 2 ln 4 v all over 4 v. So this is equal to 1 over ln 4 v cubed all over 1 minus 2 squared. And we have negative 3 minus 2 v to the 4 all over 4 minus 2 ln 4. So, as about this one naman, madala next one. So, this is 1 over ln to the 4, negative 3, negative 2v to the 4 all over 3 times 1 minus 2v to the 4 minus 2 ln of 4 v all over 4v. So this answer is acceptable na. Anyway, kung equal pa nino, zero pa nino, magyapon na siya ay ma-simplify for that. Wala may mga terms na ba eliminate function? Then I should like to consider na sa final. Coefficient.
I don't know based on alternative. Basta 8 parang it's just ulit ko lang multiply by the base.
Okay, let's proceed to implicit differentiation. Okay, that's number 1.
Derivative of absolute right is either this or
So from this given equation, of course this is an implicit equation, no? So we can distribute y, which will so pwede po mag-take the derivative para po niya distribute y. Then simply take in the derivative of size. So what's the derivative of this? This is
2x squared.
x squared y prime plus y x plus 6. So we have xy prime plus
Ay, why?
y which is equal to, this one is 2y prime plus 2 times xy prime plus y plus 2 times u. So we have x squared y prime plus 2xy plus 6xy prime plus 6y is equal to 2y prime plus 2xy prime plus 2y plus 2. So we need to isolate y prime and y prime. So x squared y prime plus 6xy prime. Then we have, and then we 2y prime
Tapos ilipat.
minus 2xy prime is equal to 2y minus 6y, no? Minus 2xy. So with this we have common, no? This one and this one. So this is just x squared y prime plus 4xy prime minus 2y prime, which is equal to, and then 4y minus 2x. So we have y prime x squared plus 4x minus 2y is equal to negative 4y minus 2x. So your y prime is just negative 4y minus 2x prime all over x squared plus 4x minus 2y. So that's the value of your y prime. Save that. Plus 2x squared na siya.
Squared.
Okay, minus 2x squared.
Simplified. That was something that was seems as fun. Paano nagsabi si Chris? Tanungin mo to. Si ma'am, hindi mo siya stick to right. It's not I mean, loud noises. Tapos kung nawala sila kayo, hindi ko noise. What course do you think you
BS mass communication.
BS mass communication?
Check ko na lang guys.
Kasi it's not scary. I mean,
If she's
kind of
thinking,
scary.
sir, alam mo ang shades.
So alam ko,
Alam mo daw ang shape.
Shake your eye. Bali dance. Ano date na yun?
October something.
excited?
exam is next week.
Kasi sa feeling is kita ba balik where you
Pwede mo kung mag-party sa bakit?
Yeah,
Kasi
really.
kaya
may bali na
yung
yung
litigation.
bali ang ginawa.
Litigation na pala kung invitation na siya doon, one for product. Pwede ka pa rin sa sales, pwede mo ka bracket, ito product. You're going to multiply this to expression.
Sure.
1 hour and 25 minutes. So any questions? Or
Okay.
that's the number 1 lang? This is a final answer. Dahil mo na ang kuhan kayo, negative akong sa safety. That's why nag-differ ka dahil ko ano kay dahil na kayo, positive na sila. Bali ko copy dahil nag positive.
Balik ko sa bonus.
Kasi walang problem na gata eh.
Bonus
So
kay
pag-answer lang man ako.
Bonus kay mali ang answer. Karang pa na mag-ibig answer.
Nanong answer kaya na daan, but nasa papel ba? Baka na kaya ng kuhan, so okay ba nung is sa tablet ng answer key na naku mag-ganapan lang. So let's play. Kaya number 2.
Lloyd.
So what's the answer for this? That is negative y all over x. So take the derivative of both sides. So we have cos sine of inverse of x1 plus 3x of x squared y squared is equal to dx of xy plus the dx of y. So what's the derivative of cos sine inverse of xy minus 1? This is the negative 1 all over square root of 1 minus xy minus 1 on x squared times what is the derivative of your u xy minus 1? So this is xy prime plus y. This one is 0 plus 2 times this one is we have x squared y prime plus we have y squared 2x which is equal to the derivative of bigger than xy. So xy times square root of 3 times y prime plus xy prime plus y plus 0. So we have the negative of xy prime all over the square root of 1 minus x squared y squared minus 2xy plus 1 plus we have 4x squared y prime plus 4x y squared is equal to ln of 3 x y prime xy prime plus ln of 3xy y. So we can now isolate those y primes and no y primes. So we have negative x y prime all over the square root of 1 minus. This one here is just negative x squared y squared plus 2xy plus 4x squared y prime is equal to minus ln of 3 to the xy prime, which is equal to, we have y all over the square root of negative x squared y squared plus 2xy. And then we have minus 4x y squared plus ln of 3xy. So this implies that we have y prime times negative x all over square root of negative x squared y squared plus 2xy plus 4x squared y minus ln of 3 times 3 to the xy over x is equal to y over the square root of negative x squared y squared plus 2xy minus 4x y squared plus ln of 3 to the xy thereof. So this is just y prime is equal to y all over square root of negative x squared y squared plus 3xy minus 4x y squared plus ln of 3 to the xy y all over negative x square root of negative x squared y squared plus 2xy plus 4x squared y minus ln of 3 to the xy x. So with this, y prime is equal to factor out y. So we have 1 all over square root of negative x squared y squared plus 3xy minus 4xy here plus ln of 3 to the xy all over factor out negative x. So we have 1 all over the square root of x squared negative x squared y squared plus 2xy plus 4xy no and minus 4xy. So minus 4xy and then plus ln of 3 to the xy. So take note that for this expression inside here, every terms here is the same as every terms here now. So that's why we can cancel it out. And this will be y prime is just equal to negative y over x. Y prime Question for number 2 for test.
No, I remember, napokin y over negative x, pero cancel out sa right side. Pero yung nag-go sa pero supposedly makancel lang sa mahaba. Sabi kayo mo siya. So, it's something. Or baka i-provide ko sila. Ay, lang to reasons.
I remember ko is I forgot which one was the based on that.
Nakikita ko ako na siya na cross out.
Okay, last problem.
Ako na-cross out.
Ay, nilike ang ginawa ko kasi
Ay, na-feeling ko.
combine ko tayo.
Wait, this is kind of like the last problem. Bigyan binigay. Naghanap sila ng away ng mga. Naghanap ko. But it's not that one that was kind of just satisfying.
That's why it was lang.
Yan yung ano ko eh, satisfying ko yan. That's good. Every time I want to like mayata ako, Eureka moment ako sa when I saw it with Jay, I got the Eureka.
Okay, number 3, last problem.
Tapos
Okay, let x plus y is equal to 10. Solving for y prime, we have dx of x plus dx of y dx of tan of y. So this is just 1 plus y prime. What is tangent of y? This is second square of y prime, right? So we have y prime minus second square y prime. Y prime is 1 minus second square y. Here, so get y prime to just negative 1 over 1 minus second square.
Kaya balik ko kay hindi ko kay my card yun.
even my prime kind of
Alam mo sana.
Okay, using three co-identities.
Kaya hindi ko na-gets ko.
We have second square.
Hindi ko na
derivative of that, di ba naman?
Ito na pala po. Nakalimutan ko. Kasi ganda na siya kanya. Stupid as mistake.
Dali lang yung pala siya. White monster. That's my wife.
So applying the three co-identities, we have y prime is equal to the negative 1 over 1 minus 1 plus tangent squared y squared.
This one plus that.
So that is just negative 1 over 1 minus 1 minus tangent squared squared.
Apply ko yan Korean. Apply ko yan
So this is just what? 1 over tangent squared minus
Ay, kasi mag-positive. Okay. Negative over negative is positive. Hindi na cover may recording. Ay, sorry.
negative divided by negative. You have negative here, this is negative tangent, this is 0. the negative tangent squared y.
Diyan na naman nag-raise.
Negative 1 over negative tangent squared y.
Pwede yung factor out yung negative 1 sa tan square.
Negative divided by negative number is always positive. Multiplying two negative numbers is always positive. Dividing two
Yeah, pwede yan. 1 minus 1,
dividing
0.
two
0 minus
negative numbers is always
negative.
positive.
It's negative, it's negative.
And then,
So,
May tanong ako. Sir? Kailan gamitin yung equal sign na may parang arrow?
implies naman na siya.
Kailan yung gamitin?
This implies that equality naman ka equality dito. So, for every step na yung ikuan,
Ang ginawa.
you can factorize them also. Every step you can include this one by the first beginning step, the next step, third. Pwede na pag wala yung mag-apply yung ano yung natapulog.
Pwede lang black.
Pero mas mismo yan, ano? Because from here, this implies that this one, and from here, it implies that this one.
Optional. Optional.
To know your direction ba?
it's equal than equal.
It's equal to equal.
Equal or greater than.
So it's y double prime. So y double prime is second derivative of ano?
So it's negative 2. Okay, so negative 3.
1 over so this is negative 2 tangent y of negative 3 times what is tangent of y? This is second squared of y no?
That makes sense.
Times y prime.
That makes sense.
So this is what? Negative 2 second squared. Negative 2 all over tangent y makes it 3. And then we have second squared y. What is your y prime? That is 1 over tangent squared.
Ano kasi gawin ko? 5p the hardest.
So yun na.
So this is equal to negative 2 all over tangent to the fifth of y times. We have also 1 plus tangent
Diyan ako na
squared.
crazy. Second square
Applying again this
It was like
identity.
Eureka moment.
So we have negative 2 times, we have 1 over tangent fifth y plus 1 over tangent cube y. So,
Okay, paano yung naging ano?
Using the-
Okay, wala ang negative.
distribute ng 1 over tangent 5, tangent 5y. Pwede yes.
Pwede yan. Ayaw.
Paano yun?
I-distribute niya 1 over tan. Yes. 1 over tan.
Negative 2 times 1 over tangent, di ba na? So,
It's just
distributive lang, no? This one, distribute to every term. So with that, this is, by the quotient, identity for trigo, this is just cotangent. Cotangent of 5y plus cotangent. And that is our goal. Our y double prime is this value.
show the medyo. Patingin na ulit. Ayun na crazy ako by Eureka tapos na-solve siya tapos na-namin. It was like expensive. Okay, yan dito. Nag-Eureka. I was like in the zone when I know, wait, this identity is true. Okay, we're in the flow state. Yeah, I was like in that flow state. Pero I found the last one. Wala na nagbalik. Ay, the latest quiz I found.
questions so far? Questions regarding sa yung first quiz?
Sir, paano yung mga question, sir? Ano yung mga question? Wala pa sila nag-quiz.
Second?
Second na quiz sila.
Sir,
Sa quiz.
nag-check, sir. Quiz ba?
Wala pa.
Yes sir, lagyan mo plus
Sir,
10.
we have user.
Lagyan mo plus 10 each paper. Why not? Plus 10 na lang.
Ay, ito. Ito yung wire. Gusto ko i-connect sa Laknaw sa serial pamphlet. So, drawing and place the pamphlet. Okay, ito yung cable.
Sa akin natin. I won't draw. I'll just... Tapos hindi ginagamit. Wasting money on just
Ano financial advice?
isang gikorap. Waste.
I mean,
Okay, you can, no? You can use the time to study.
you study. What if we do the
Just stay in the room.
What if you